Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, we are going to talk about exactly how you can start making the eBay affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Normally, guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing and the links that takes you to them, they are always or basically 90 times of the times or 9 times out of 10 gonna be in the bottom of the main page. So head up to ebay.com and head to the bottom of the page, which is basically this widget right here, which is the footer of the page. Here on the sell section, you will find start selling, how to sell, business sellers, and affiliates. Click on affiliates, and here they will take you to eBay Partner Network. You simply have to create your account within the platform and basically submit your social network that you are willing to start the affiliate on it. For example, if you do have a blog, then submit your blog in your Google Analytics. If you have a YouTube channel, then provide them with your views and your channel name. If you have social media accounts, then provide them with these accounts and basically share with them a screenshot of how many followers, how many views you are getting, and just like that, you will be applying for the affiliates with eBay. They like if you have low views and stuff, I don't really highly recommend you to do this because eBay is a very well-known platform and doesn't really accept anyone. But if you really get an exactly about like 1,000 views within a specific niche that you already like concentrated on, then yeah, this is a very good opportunity for you guys. So let's go and start doing it.